Quebec is the largest and the second most populated province of Canada. The province is different from the rest of Canada culturally and linguistically, as it has maintained a strong French influence over the centuries. It is the only province to have predominantly French-speaking population, with French as the sole provincial official language, whereas the rest of Canadian provinces are English-speaking. There have been two referendums in Quebec to proclaim national sovereignty and become an independent country, but in 1995 it was very close to pass. Till this day, Quebec's secession is still a big subject, so let's see what it would be like if Quebec somehow splits from Canada and becomes an independent country. Quebec has an area of 1,542,056 square kilometers, and as an independent country, it would be the 19th largest country, above Peru and below Mongolia. However, it has a small population of 8.537 million and would rank 102nd, below Israel and Switzerland and above Togo. It would be one of the least densely populated nations with a population density of 6.3% per square kilometers, but would still be more densely populated than Canada. 74.7% of the total population would be Catholic, 12.15% would be non-religious, 7.5% would follow other Christianity, 3.15% would be Muslim, while the rest of the population would belong to Judaism, Buddhism, Hinduism and Sikhism. With a per capita income of $43,220, it would be the 25th richest country, and with a GDP of $369 billion, it would be the 39th largest economy, very close to South Africa and Singapore, but ahead of Denmark. The country's economy would mostly depend on manufacturing, mining, forest products and tourism industry. French would no doubt be the official and most spoken language of the country. About 77% of the total population speak French as their first, while 95% speak as their first or second language. It would become 30th country where French is an official language. The next largest languages would be English, Arabic, Spanish, Italian and Haitian Creole. 10% of the total Quebec's area is covered by fresh water and 49.35% by forest, which would make it one of the most eco-friendly countries. Quebec is very rich in minerals like gold, iron, copper and zinc. Still, a large reserve of minerals is untouched, which could help in boosting its economy. So it's safe to say it would be one of the most stable and well-off nation. But its succession would have big impacts on Canada. The population of Canada would drop from 37.895 million to 29.357 million, and its area would fall from 9.984 million to 8.442 million and would move from second to fifth place in terms of area. Canada's economy would drop from $1.812 trillion to $1.443 trillion, falling from 10th to 12th place in the world. Quebec is one of the prime pillars of Canada, and its separation would cost Canada a huge amount of resources, strategic location, and it would split the country into different parts. So it would be better for Canada if Quebec's sovereignty movement doesn't get ignited and it stays with Canada.